family. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you just want to stop by, see the review, I appreciate you stopping by. Come on back anytime you want to, but I appreciate you stopping by. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Leave me a comment and just let me know what you thought about my review. I want your honest opinion. Let me know if there's any changes you think I should make. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. All right, let's just get right into this video. As the thumbnail said, I will be reviewing the Flavors by Dame Dash. I had to write it down, y'all, because I know I was going to forget. The Dippin' Dash butter sauce. So I just made, or I had someone make me a small seafood boil. It's only king crab in here, corn, eggs, and white potatoes. I just wanted to focus more so on the sauce and review that. And this is how the sauce looked when it came in the mail. All right, I pre-ordered it on September the 12th. It was a small was the only thing that was available. It's supposed to feed 1 to 2 people, and it can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. It doesn't state that on the label, but it did state it on the website. The website is down right now. He is currently looking for a manufacturer to help him produce the sauce. That's why he's so backlogged. If you haven't received your sauce yet, I did research and find out that you will be getting it soon. I think he's pretty much working the orders himself, so that's why he's looking for a manufacturer right now. I do want to tell Flavors by Dame Dash that I'm so proud of him. Anybody that's starting something from the ground up, that's your baby, and it's hard. It's rough starting the business, So I just wanted to say that, Dame, I'm proud of you, and anybody else that's starting anything or thinking about starting anything, go ahead and do it. If you already started, I'm super duper proud of you. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tasting. But before that, we'll be drinking strawberry lemonade sparkling ice. That looks like. Let's go ahead and bust that with it. I just love that sound. Anybody else love that sound? If you do, go ahead on and check out one of my 10-hour videos with the sparkling ice. One fades to black. One actually shows the pouring of the fizzy soda water. So if you like, go ahead and check that out. It helps me throughout the day. It just relaxes me. At night, I'll turn it on and fall to sleep like a baby. Even speaking of babies, it'd be good for babies if you got a baby can't sleep or is colicky. It's known to help soothe them and help them go to sleep. So check those videos out. It's so good. All right, let's take a piece of crab and see what this sauce tastes like. It smells amazing. That, guys. Look at that. Alright, y'all. Let's go in for the taste. Ooh. Okay. The sauce has the perfect amount of sweetness and savory, savoriness to it. Mmm, it's the perfect balance. It tastes like it has some smoked paprika in there too. I love that stuff. It always enhances anything to me. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. It's good. When you go back on sale, y'all, make sure you get it. Make sure you get this, baby. Mmm. Good. Mmm. 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 Yes, baby. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. I don't even want to do too much talking. This sauce is so good. It's got a little kick to it, but it's like just right. Equal amount of everything. The sweet, the savory, a little spice, not even a lot, just a little kick to it, just enough to give you, you know, a little bit of heat. It's good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yes, honey. Come on, Dane. Come on, Dane. Ooh. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. All you have to do is heat it up and stir it. Yeah. Ooh. Enough on here. Oh, there's enough of it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's good. Mm-hmm. And then what the onions in here? I might do some yellow pepper in there, green pepper. Mm-hmm. If y'all haven't checked out Flavors by Dame Dash, the link will be in the description box below. If you haven't, definitely check out his latest video. You know how hilarious. Ooh, child. Mm. sauce. Mm. Mm. Potato. Mm. 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 Alright, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Come on back anytime you want. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you.